It was November 4, Little River. I didn't sleep at home. I went to meet you after that call. I saw you from the door, Little River. I whistled an old song. Your ears were big, but you were so small. Your ears like the vibrant Little River. I couldn't understand. You were you, but you came from her. Those years were sometimes hard, Little River. Remember I was sad, but sad enough we started to dance. I had enough, I had, Little River, with knowing you'd come back, with acting silly and making you laugh. Your heart tasted like stars, Little River. I couldn't understand. No one smiled to me like that. I had to go somewhere, Little River. I left, I took out a plane. No more river every day. I cried and wept. I cried a river, I cried 10. So you'd be with me anyway. Your heart tasted like mine, Little River. I couldn't understand. We were two, but we were one. We were two, but we were one. We were two, but we were one. We were two, but we were one.